basketball is? Teamwork. That's why sinasabi lagi ni coach na pass the ball even though na kaya natin i-shoot yung bola by your own. But you have to pass the ball para makita natin yung essence of basketball. Okay guys, welcome to our new home.
Salute to the YMCA coach!
I learned to shoot confidently.
This court became our second home. Win or lose, we stand together.
I gained not just skills but character.
Thank you, YMCA Basketball Club.
For shaping not just athletes, but leaders.
Yung job is to do defense properly, offense properly, 2-3 zone, and when it comes on running, hindi pwedeng nahuhuli tayo sa depensa. Kapag nakashoot tayo, hindi nyo kailangan naman tumandun pa lang kasi maiiwan kayo kapag umatake ang kalaban ng mabilis. Kailangan at least sa half court kayo mag-abang.